welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a pizza character. So go ahead and get all of your drawing materials together and let's get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our pizza characters. Now this is going to be a sideways piece of pizza. So we are going to make a triangle, but it's going to have a slightly bowed side here, and then we'll come to a point this way. So there's like the top of our crust right here, and then we'll take it upward and from up here we'll come downward to a point. So we'll make this a thick crust piece of pizza here. So we'll just bring a broken line across here. And we'll build the face of our pizza character on first and then decorate with toppings around those eyes. So we'll start with a circle for one eye. And then we'll use an oval for the other eye. I love when the eyeballs on characters are two different shapes. All right, and we'll want some pupils in here. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of the paper showing through, and that creates what's called an eye highlight. And we'll want that to be present in both pupils there. This is going to be a happy pizza. And we'll put eyebrows on our character. They're going to be a little thick so that they'll blend in with the toppings that we're going to add here. And our pizza is going to be waving to us. So we're going to start with one arm that's curving up and waving. And the other arm will just hang here by the side of our character. And the legs of this guy are going to be very simple as well. Do 2 lines and 2 feet. Okay, so you guys are free to add any type of toppings that you think your pizza character needs. I am going to add a bunch of pepperoni and some rectangles that I can use for peppers. You can also add a big wavy line here if you want there to be a lot of cheese. And we can make some mushrooms. All right, and then a couple lines underneath the feet here to make it seem like our pizza character is standing on something. So there we have the outline of this pizza character. The next step that we have to do is to add some color. So go ahead and grab your colored pencils, markers, crayons, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. right, illustrators, there we have our pizza characters. The last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Great job today, everybody.